Cardano has been out there since 2015 and has successfully been among the top 10 cryptocurrencies ever since. IOHK, Input Output Hong Kong, aka Cardano blockchain creator, was founded by Charles Hoskinson and Jeremy Wood. IOHK developed to become one of the most well-reputed blockchain infrastructure research and engineering companies, so they went ahead and joined in a venture with the Ethiopian government in 2018. The government believes that this deal will stabilize the African economy, which has been unstable till now due to poverty and inflation. That being said, let us now first check out the current value of Cardano, aka ADA. According to CoinGecko, market capitalization plays a major role in cryptocurrency value. Hence, ADA comes third in the list of cryptocurrencies right behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. Thus, ADA to INR rate today is RS 155.06 and has decreased 2.2% from 155.58 since yesterday. The price prediction value shows that Cardano's value has a trajectory moving downward currently, decreasing 26.3% from 210.26 since 30 days ago. Since it is already the number 3 cryptocurrency without even having smart contracts, that is quite a big marketing and community building achievement. Charles Hoskinson is a good marketer. We know that because he follows a famous but touch marketing technique of selling it before having a product. Kudos to Hoskinson, as not many can do it, especially not technologists. Although the value of cryptocurrencies has skyrocketed in the last couple of years, most blockchain companies faced chaotic trajectories in growth. Especially few cryptos faced hacks, scandal stories, and disagreement among the founders, which resulted in a bad reputation for their ecosystem. Thus, Cardano's biggest advantage is being energy efficient. His portrayal has been good in the books. In the future, it is predicted that almost all of us have to become a conservationist at some point, and we would need to use renewable sources of energy then. We will accept everything that saves energy, and that is where the Cardano concept is going to play an important role. The only drawback of Cardano for now is that it does not have smart contracts, but we also know that IOHK has announced that such capabilities will be achieved in the future, and they gain in where Ethereum loses. That is, it is not energy efficient, but also supports fast transactions with minimal transaction fees. Additionally, Cardano has one other big perk, that it has a capital of 45 billion coins outstanding as compared to Ethereum, which has no absolute limit to its total eventual supply. This is a piece of definite happy news for the crypto enthusiast who loves to feel some money in their hand. In terms of market capitalization, Cardano could challenge Ethereum already, with 100 million people signed up through its Africa deal over the next 3 years, and also in terms of adoption if things go crazy. It is no wonder Cardano has been hailed as the Ethereum killer. That's quite the claim. After all, Ethereum, the name of the blockchain platform itself, is often used interchangeably with its native cryptocurrency token Ether, ETH, is the second most valuable cryptocurrency project out there, only trailing Bitcoin. Yet, even as Ethereum seeks to overtake Bitcoin, it has a newer rival coming up to try to take its place. Cardano boom has been in the news a few times already, so having said all that, yes, it's still very possible to become a millionaire with Cardano. If you're a person who could spare thousands of dollars, along with several catalysts and many other factors working in your favor, and then the ability to go through the roller coaster that is the cryptocurrency market will be like eating a piece of cake. But unlike our fellow cryptocurrencies, Cardano is cheap because it is a new project that hardly caught up with mainstream attention like Bitcoin or Ethereum. The factor that plays the hardball is that there are 45 billion Cardanos, so the relative price per share, ADA, is low because the supply is large. Hope you remember the basics of demand, supply, and economics. So that brings us to the basic need-based question. Will ADA reach $10? Cardano did face a growth spurt of over 665.2% in the past year. If this trend continues, there's a big chance that Cardano will skyrocket to $10. Now, coming back to Cardano in the African continent, IOHK has been in Ethiopia for the last 4 years. IOHK has all hands on the country and has been developing blockchain solution, technologies, and protocols. The goal of the first year, which is aimed to begin in 2022, is to onboard the new marking and reviewing the software to training 700,000 teachers and a subset of students from approximately 3,500 schools across the country. They are onboarding the next generation of cryptocurrency investors. IOHK has aimed to train the young minds of the country as they will be future investors in blockchain technologies and cryptocurrencies. IOHK has reached the brink of conclusion on the final stages of unraveling the Cardano in Africa, especially after securing the huge government contract in Africa, and it's all over in the news, so that they are definitely in business with the African government. According to John O'Connor, the director of African operations at IOHK, as the project is focused on academics, so Cardano will be welcoming millions of units of users to the real-world blockchain. IOHK is making major strides in real-world blockchain solutions using Cardano. While Africa has long been touted as the next big frontier for blockchain technology, few companies have gone through with their plans to invest in developing countries. Cardano, on the other hand, has been actively working in Africa. The blockchain-based national identity system focuses on Ethiopia's digital transformation in 2025. The government has issued a national identity standard. By digitalizing agriculture, manufacturing, and tourism, the country can be transformed into one of the world's middle-income countries. Moving forward, Ethiopia will be open for wider adoption of IOHK for everything from blockchain-based track and trace of smallholder agriculture supply chains to digital IDs for transport or healthcare. The CEO of IOHK has been outspoken about potential Africa has for blockchain adoptions. He said his company was working on several projects aimed exclusively at this content. One of the major problems a cryptocurrency is looking at right now is to bank the unbanked. It is the difference between being banked and banking ourselves. In an interview with Proof of Africa, John O'Connor revealed that there is a real-world blockchain solution being built and is designed specifically to be released in Africa. He said that they have got a large government contract, and that would have multi-million users being onboarded to the platform in real time. Decentralized identity solutions are used in the African continent for the coffee plantation business. They need to track their progress, basically track the coffee beans, the amount that's grown, and how much is being grown in a certain area. Essentially, this is also known as tokenizing the economy. They're trying to tokenize it to profit from it and develop their ecosystem and bank themselves. There's not any other cryptocurrency as of now which is doing something as major as ADA. As John O'Connor is based in Africa, so he confirms that the IOHK's project will focus on other African countries as well, such as South Africa, Kenya, Nigeria, Tanzania, and Ethiopia. Another 15 will be added to the list soon. On the subject of Nigeria, honestly, this is how it got played out. The reason why their central bank has banned the private use of cryptocurrencies is to lay the foundations for the government to use the cryptocurrency. Moving forward, John O'Connor said he has responsibility and reasonable plans to onboard 100 million users on this identity platform within the next year or two. This might seem ambitious, but actually, the skill of the African content is being quite realistic. People in Africa tend to adopt things quickly, guys. Simply put, all of the processes required to launch the mysterious African solutions should be done by the end of February. Adding that the team at IOHK will be the one that makes the news public, and according to John O'Connor, the deployment has the potential to be the largest real-world blockchain development in the world. Cardano currently sits third, but as this news gets out, we believe that the price of Cardano is going to continue to rise because this is massive for adoption, and this is no trial and error social experiment, as Cardano is a serious currency. But that's it for now. Just wanted to let you know that Cardano is looking to bring the continent of Africa into the new economy. But as always, viewers, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and get down into the comments and share your views.